If you're looking for a perfect gift that's both delicious and thoughtful, O Nuts has so many irresistible options. This gourmet snack jar set includes 3 deluxe jars filled with chocolate-covered treats, drizzled popcorn, and yogurt pretzels, all beautifully presented in an elegant wooden crate. It's all literally ready to go in these plastic jars for sharing or gifting. This chocolate box set comes with 20 pieces of gourmet Belgian chocolates in assorted flavors. You've got milk chocolate, almonds, toffee, caramel, mint, dark chocolate, espresso, orange, raspberry, and strawberry champagne. They're made fresh with premium quality ingredients and have a smooth, creamy texture that's absolutely delicious. It makes for a luxurious treat for any occasion. Finally, this chocolate-covered pretzels gift basket has over 100 mini pretzels in 6 mouth-watering flavors, including peanut butter flavored chocolate, rich strawberry yogurt, decadent blueberry yogurt, creamy vanilla yogurt, real dark semi-sweet chocolate, and 100% milk chocolate. It's the ultimate sweet and salty indulgence for any celebration, and I love the trendy black box it comes in. Just slap a bow on it and it's gift ready. Whether you're treating yourself or someone special, O Nuts makes every moment sweeter with their fresh premium quality gift collection. Go try them out for yourself.